Hi there, welcome again. So this is going to be a very short and quick video because I want to show you how to create an auto layout that is responsive, or I can call it adaptive. So first of all, thank you for coming. If you are a new subscriber, I appreciate you very much. If you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you so much. And please just hit the like button and drop your comment if you have any question. You can always share. Yeah, you can always share to support. So now, the first thing that you need to do when you want to maybe create a responsive auto layout is, one, you create the frame, or let me say uh yeah, the frame that you want to use. And I'm just going to use maybe some random text which I'm going to, okay, let me just copy it here. I know I already used this particular design in my previous video, but yeah, I just need to make good use of it as well. So I'm going to make it, so this auto layout is what I use for my buttons, like CTA buttons and stuff, because it goes a long way to make sure that everything is in place. So I'm going to highlight the both of them, and then I click my auto layout. You see the frame is being auto layout. So at this point now it is not responsive, because if I duplicate this frame is still static. So what I'm doing is, you come to the right hand of the panel, you see auto layout here. The next thing you are going to see is the height, and then this. So you just do the necessary adjustment. So now, why this particular design is not responsive is because this auto layout here is in fixed width. So this width is fixed. It's just going to be there no matter what happens inside of it. So once you change it to hug content, and then height to hug content, and then you start getting closer to being responsive. So now you see, duplicate it and it keep expanding and expanding and expanding. That is how you create responsive content. So now the next thing is, maybe if you are designing for different screen, and you want to maybe scale it down and stuff, and you see that it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, it only expand the frame. So if I'm, see, because I've tempered with this, I've tempered with the width, that is why it changed to fix. So I need to maybe go back to hug again, and then duplicate, and you see the same thing here. Alright, so you might be wondering, why are you yawning so much? Yeah, it's morning here, I'm not taking breakfast yet, so kind of feeling it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this text, and then I would make it hug, then height hug. So at this point everything is being hugged. You see, that is why it's spread out. Then probably, let's see, okay, still not, no, it's not going to work that particular way. It won't. It's only when you move this that is going to shrink accordingly. Yeah, sure. Okay, so now if you are working on text, or maybe you are working on a different layout, the most common layout is, you maybe drawing out, this is being used a lot. This is going to be the image, and this is going to be the text. That is the most common layout that you see around. Then you come over here and you play with the spacing, 40. So depending, you can just maybe, yeah, curve the edges a bit. So this is going to be your image here, and this is going to be the text. So now you can move it around to this level. So I hope I'm able to make you understand how you can create an auto layout. If you want to maybe take it a step further, maybe you are working on multiple layout structure, you can then duplicate them and then you change this here. That is how you have this zigzag kind of. But if you are working maybe on a different layout structure like this FE here, then this is going to be ideal. So it depends on what you are working on. It all depends on what you're working on, but I believe that you have the idea on how to create an auto layout that is responsive. You can click here to hug to that. No matter how you do it, it's keep expanding. Even though you want to take it this way, you know, it still gives you what you want. You want to take it this way, yeah, it's still giving you what you want. But the challenge you're having here is that this width has been moved to fixed, so you always make sure it is hugged. So once you take it horizontal layout, if you are taking it back to vertical layout, you need to change the width size to hug. So I appreciate you coming through and always watching my videos. Please do well to share. The thumbs up is going to help the algorithm to show these videos to a lot of other people, help me to grow my channel. And then I'm going to shoot another video in recent time, maybe before the week runs out. I can't really tell, but regardless, I'm going to shoot another video and then I'll share it your way. So see you in the next one. I still remain Big John Design, and I'm open to email design projects. So if you have any project, an agency, or you are a brand, please just hit my DM, or you can hit the link below the video and then you reach out to me either on X or you book a call. I'm going to include the link in the description. Please do well to check it out. Thank you and see you in the next one.